Evaluate the indefinite integral of 7 sine to the 6th x cosine x dx. All right, to work this out, what we need to do is probably make use of u substitution. Generally, when I approach an integral that I'm unfamiliar with, this is the first method that I try. So, working with u substitution, the thing that I need to do is I need to find some part of the function that is an inner function. So for instance, this sine to the 6th x, make sure you understand that that means the function sine of x raised to the 6th power. And noting that, you can see that sine x is itself an inner function. Now, the other thing about this choice of u is you need the derivative of that function to look like some other part of the integrand. So the derivative of sine is cosine x. So we say du is cosine x dx, which means this will get replaced with du, and this will get replaced with u. So after substituting, we're going to have 7 times the integral of u to the 6th power du. And this just requires the power rule. The power rule is to add 1 to your exponent, divide by the new exponent, and then do plus c. The 7's will cancel, so it's just the original substitution for u, which was sine x, to the 7th power plus c, or sine to the 7th of x plus c. Now, when you type that into the homework system, you'll likely need to put the x in parentheses. So notating like this looks a little bit funny. It's perfectly valid to the system. You can definitely write it that way. Or if you're more comfortable, you can always write it sine x and then put the power of 7 on the outside. That's fine as well. It might not require you to have the parentheses, but I think it's always a good idea to wrap parentheses in functions, or wrap functions in parentheses if you're going to raise to an exponent. But like I said, this will definitely work.